Hello everyone, Asawang Filipino. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to unbox this parcel again and try on and wear this sandal. So I'm gonna pair it with my shoes here, and also at the same time I'm going to wear flip-flops. So okay, let's get started. So we have here 1, 2, 3. So this one, let's start this first. Oh, this is lingerie, my sleeping outfit. So cute. Okay, next. It's the same color, but different. So, oh my god, I need to wear a bra for this. I need to wear a bra this one. This is so cute. I mentioned I have to try on, so but I have to pick what outfit I have to wear because this is so sexy. Oh, another one. I think maybe this one. It's backless. Super cute. Okay, this one I will try. I have to see what's in there. Okay, finally. It's all sleepwear. Huh. I think this is only for my members. So, since it's too sexy, I'm gonna try on this one for members only. But since I have my shoes, so I'm gonna try on my shoes wearing this outfit. Because this one, it's too sexy. Okay, but I can wear, I will try on. I can wear a bra for this. Super cute. So one of my So by the way, I have my new toenail polish today. It's messed up with my shoes that I'm wearing. So I think I have to retouch it later. No, I have to change it. The color doesn't match my feet. Now when it's messed up. So also my nails, I'm going to change also today. Okay, but this one, I cannot say that. Well, I already see awards that I'm going to try on, but okay, I'm gonna wear a bra. So I'll be right back. But this is my outfit today. So I'm gonna wear this sandal. So I'm gonna match it with my outfit today. Actually, I love my toner polish. It's really bright. And I will only have to retouch this one later. It's very noisy outside because somebody is selling cows. Look at my tuna polish. So I can bring you closer with me. Only, yeah, I have to retouch it later. I'm gonna take off this sandal. all for today's video. I hope you like it and see you next time.